Welcome to Auto Trend, where we dive into the world of iconic cars. Today, we're taking a closer look at the legendary 1962 Ford Thunderbird, a vehicle that redefined luxury and performance in its time. The 1962 Thunderbird, affectionately known as the Bullet Bird, stood out with its sleek, jet-inspired design. Its streamlined body, distinctive grille, and futuristic tail fins perfectly captured the space-age excitement of the early 1960s. Under the hood, it boasted a powerful 390 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering smooth yet impressive performance. With up to 300 horsepower, it was a true powerhouse on the road, embodying Ford's commitment to engineering excellence. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that's all about comfort and style. The wraparound cockpit, bucket seats, and center console gave the Thunderbird a sporty yet luxurious feel. It was also packed with innovative features for its time, like swing-away steering for easy entry and exit, as well as power windows and air conditioning, which were rare luxuries back then. The 1962 Thunderbird wasn't just about looks and power, it symbolized status and sophistication. This car was a favorite among celebrities and anyone who wanted to make a statement. Even today, its timeless design and iconic status continue to captivate classic car enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey back in time with the 1962 Ford Thunderbird. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible automotive stories. See you next time on Auto Trend, where the classics never go out of style.